One cup of tea taught a girl the biggest lesson of her life, and maybe it will teach you too. Let me tell you a small story. Once upon a time, two friends, Aisha and Noor, went to a small hill cafe after a long walk. They were tired, so they ordered 2 cups of tea. When the cups arrived, Aisha looked at Noor's cup and said, "Your cup looks bigger than mine. Why does she always get the better thing?" Noor smiled and replied, "तुम बस अपनी चाय पी लो. Taste same ही होगा." But Aisha kept looking at Noor's cup again and again. She didn't drink her tea because she was too busy comparing. After a few minutes, the waiter came and said, "Ma'am, both cups have the same amount of tea. The shapes are just different." Aisha felt embarrassed. She tasted her tea. It was warm, sweet, and perfect. Exactly what she wanted. Noor gently said, "Life is also like tea. When you compare, you stop enjoying your own cup." Aisha smiled and whispered, "From today, I will enjoy my cup, not someone else." So, what this story teaches us? Number 1, don't compare your life with others. Number 2, everyone gets their own cup, their own journey. Number 3, when you focus on others, you miss your own blessings. You can learn vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure from this story. The more you listen, the more you learn.